T1002 is a 2-in-1 HDMI over IP extender. Its extremely encoder and decoder can be switched in one device. It offers stunning 4K HDR video, low latency, multi-channel audio support, and 4K or 2K auto scanning to seamlessly handle mixed resolution sources, content, and display devices for metrics and video world functionality. It reduces user costs, AV networks that are easier to create and modify, plus far more rooms for innovation. If you want to know more about our products, please contact us on Alibaba.com.